What is the origin of crêpe? The crêpe originated in Brittany, France, known as Bretagne in French, during the 13th century. This thin, pancake-like dish has since become a staple of French cuisine and has gained worldwide popularity. Origins of crêpe. Ancient beginnings, before the 13th century. Crêpe-like dishes existed in ancient Greece and Rome, where people cooked thin batter on hot stones. These early flatbreads influenced later European variations. Birth of the French crêpe. 13th century Brittany, France. Buckwheat, Saracen, was introduced to Brittany from Asia around the 12th century. By the 13th century, Breton farmers started making buckwheat crepes, now called galettes. Wheat flour crepes, sweeter versions, emerged in the 19th century when wheat became more accessible. Traditional types of crepes. One galette, savory crepe, made with buckwheat flour, popular in Brittany. Common fillings, ham, cheese, eggs, galette complète, mushrooms, or smoked salmon. 2. Crêpe sucrée, sweet crepe, made with white flour, lighter and softer. Common toppings, sugar, Nutella, fruit, whipped cream, caramel, or Grand Marnier. Crêpe Suzette. Cultural significance. La Chandeleur, French Crêpe Day. Every February 2nd, the French celebrate by making crepes, symbolizing prosperity and good luck. Global influence. Italy. Similar to Crespel, Mexico. Marquesitas, crispy crepes with cheese. Japan. Harajuku-style crepes with whipped cream and fruit. Why are crepes so popular? Easy to make with simple ingredients: flour, eggs, milk, butter. Versatile, can be sweet or savory, light, thin, and perfect for breakfast, dessert, or a snack.